Gleaming, timeless, and crafted with millimeter precision, a classic gold band is one of jewelry's greatest icons. But turning a raw block of precious metal into dozens of mirror-polished rings takes a masterclass in heat, pressure, and centuries-old metallurgy. Welcome to the workshop, where raw gold transforms into wearable perfection. The journey begins with a solid gold rod. To convert this thick bar into delicate ring stock, it must be fed repeatedly through a motorized rolling mill. With each pass through the high-tensile steel rollers, immense compression flattens and lengthens the metal. As the gold deforms, internal crystalline stresses build up, causing the metal to harden. To prevent it from cracking, the goldsmith must perform a crucial step, annealing. Using an open torch, the gold is brought to a glowing cherry red heat, allowing its molecular structure to relax and soften. After a quick quench in water, the metal is coated in flux and bathed in a heated pickling solution. This gently dissolves any surface oxides in fire scale, restoring that unmistakable warm golden glow before it heads back to the rollers. Back at the rolling mill, the ribbon is passed through progressively tighter tolerances. Using a precision micrometer, the artisan measures down to fractions of a millimeter. Every single ring produced must have identical thickness and width. Once calibrated, the elongated gold strip is given one final, sweeping heat pass to ensure maximum pliability. Next, the ribbon meets the bench shear. A mechanical stop is set to the exact circumference needed for the target ring size. With rhythmic chops, the long ribbon is divided into perfectly uniform blanks, destined to become individual bands. Working by hand, the artisan uses specialized bending pliers to curve each flat segment into a closed loop. The ends are carefully aligned so the seam meets flush, with zero gap. Any misalignment here would compromise the solder joint later. To fuse the ends, tiny chips of gold solder called paillomes are placed directly over the seam. As the torch heats the piece, the solder melts, flowing into the microscopic gap through capillary action. After another hot acid bath and a clean water rinse, the seam is completely fused, solid, and seamless. Now the blanks must become truly circular. First, they are hammered over a tapered steel mandrel, then placed on a mechanical expanding stretcher that uniformly opens the ring to its precise finger size. To square off the sides, each ring is rubbed against fine abrasive paper in a collection tray, where even the finest gold dust is carefully saved for recycling. To achieve perfect geometric symmetry, the ring is mounted onto a precision rotary lathe. As it spins, high-speed cutting tools shave away micro-layers, beveling the edges and carving the smooth, domed profile of the band. For double-walled and lined wedding bands, an inner sleeve is fitted inside the outer profile. Fine gold solder wire and flux are applied around the perimeter under intense flame, permanently bonding the layers into a seamless, robust structure. A final round on the sizing mandrel confirms structural integrity and roundness. Now for the magic touch, batch polishing. Dozens of finished rings are strung closely together onto a flexible leather sleeve. This allows the polisher to handle multiple rings at once. Pressed against a high-speed cotton buffing wheel charged with jeweler's rouge, friction and compound smooth out microscopic scratches. In seconds, the dull matte surface gives way to an ultra-deep liquid mirror finish. A quick sweep to collect the last of the gold dust, and the batch is complete. Gleaming, flawless, and crafted to last a lifetime. A tray full of golden masterworks ready for the world.